Founded in 2011, Qingdao Director Steel Structure Company Limited is a high-capacity structural steel fabrication company that is known for delivering high-quality projects in the international engineering and construction sectors. At Steel Structures, we believe in safety, loyalty, and stand by the company's legacy of integrity and fairness. Our goal is to be a responsible partner while building quality construction projects as well as relationships. We specialize in all types of structural steel applications. Our fabrication workshop is fully equipped with the latest machinery and tools to handle complex jobs such as built-up heavy beams, curved trusses, etc. With more than 15,000 square meter shop, Direct Steel can fabricate and process any job and deliver with quality and assurance. The factory space enables us to simultaneously fabricate several large jobs without compromise. In our shop, the beams, raw materials, are cut into different lengths, and both holes are immediately drilled by the CNC cut and drill line. The cut and punching machine produces the necessary plates that will be assembled on the beams in order to make a steel construction part. Together with our certified welders and our visual welding inspector, according to international standards, are assembled parts welded on excellently. Ten-sets cranes facilitate efficient handling of material and ensure fast flow of semi-finished products from material preparation up to the transfer of fabricated products to the surface preparation, painting, and dispatch facility. We also have facilities to do high-quality surface preparation using sand, grit blasting, and airless spray painting to meet special customer requirements. With great shop workers who have rich experience in the field and 2 shifts working Monday through Saturday, Director Steel promises all fabrication work will be delivered and ready for fit-up. Director Steel uses in-house detailers as well as outsourcing from a select group of industry-proven experts in the world of detailing. Our in-house detailers and outsourced companies all use the latest 3D Tekla modeling, allowing for integration into any established BIM process. Through the use of advanced software-controlled engineering and production, the quality is improved along with efficiency and optimization. The engineering team is ever ready to answer all and any technical queries emanating from the client at any point of time. From large structural fabrication to detailed customer-specific fabrication, we can do it all. Director Steel has a workforce of nearly 280 individuals focused on your needs for quality and fast turnaround. We take great pride in its outstanding team. Regardless of your particular construction needs, we have the personnel, facilities, and equipment to meet your most stringent requirements.